Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a laptop that can do it all, whether it's for work, play, or creativity, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best 2-in-1 laptops of 2025. That will take your productivity to the next level and give you the ultimate versatility. Stick around to find the perfect match for your needs. 5. Lenovo Yoga 9i. The Lenovo Yoga 9i is a premium 2-in-1 convertible laptop that delivers a blend of performance, design, and versatility, catering to both work and entertainment needs. With a sleek and durable chassis, the Yoga 9i features an all-metal design, giving it a premium feel while maintaining a lightweight profile. The laptop's 360-degree hinge allows users to seamlessly transition between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes, making it incredibly versatile for various tasks. Whether for productivity, media consumption, or creative work, the Yoga 9i adapts to your requirements. Under the hood, the Yoga 9i is powered by the latest Intel processors, usually the Intel Core i7 or i5 from the 12th generation, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, offering smooth multitasking performance. For storage, it offers solid-state drives, SSDs, with capacities up to 1 TB, ensuring fast boot times and ample space for files, apps, and media. This hardware combination makes it suitable for a range of users, from professionals needing a reliable machine for productivity tasks to content creators who require processing power for editing photos or videos. The Yoga 9i also boasts a stunning display. It comes with a 14-inch 4K IPS touchscreen with vivid color reproduction and high brightness, which is ideal for streaming movies, editing photos, or simply browsing the web. The display is also Dolby Vision certified, providing an enhanced visual experience with greater depth and contrast, making it perfect for multimedia consumption. Coupled with the Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics, the Yoga 9i offers solid performance for light gaming. 4. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 is a premium 2-in-1 laptop that blends cutting-edge technology, portability, and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for professionals, students, and creators. This device is designed to offer the best of both worlds, functioning as both a traditional laptop and a tablet, thanks to its 360-degree hinge. The Galaxy Book Flex 2's sleek, lightweight design features a metal body with a glossy finish, giving it a high-end aesthetic that feels as sophisticated as it looks. At the heart of the Galaxy Book Flex 2 is the 11th Gen Intel Core processors, typically i5 or i7, providing a solid foundation for everyday tasks and more demanding workloads like photo editing, video streaming, or light gaming. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage, the laptop delivers smooth performance and quick load times, whether you're multitasking between apps or working with larger files. This makes it suitable for professionals who need a reliable device for office tasks, creative endeavors, and even occasional entertainment. One of the most impressive features of the Galaxy Book Flex 2 is its display. The laptop boasts a 13.3-inch QLED touchscreen, which provides stunning color accuracy, deep contrasts, and brightness, making it ideal for both productivity and multimedia consumption. The QLED technology is one of the standout features, offering vibrant colors and high resolution that enhances both work presentations and movie watching. 3. Dell XPS 13 2-in-1. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 is a premium convertible laptop that combines the performance and design excellence of the XPS series with the flexibility of a 360-degree hinge, making it an ideal choice for both productivity and entertainment. With its ultra-thin and lightweight aluminum body, the XPS 13 2-in-1 maintains a sleek and elegant look while remaining portable and durable. This convertible design allows users to switch between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes, offering a versatile experience for a wide range of use cases, from typing and multitasking to media consumption and digital note-taking. Powered by the latest Intel Core processors, typically the 12th or 13th generation i5 or i7 chips, the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 delivers excellent performance for a variety of tasks. Whether you're working on productivity apps, editing photos and videos, or even light gaming, The combination of powerful CPU options and up to 16 GB of RAM ensures a smooth and responsive experience. Additionally, with solid-state storage options up to 1 TB, you'll enjoy quick boot times and ample space for all your files and media. One of the standout features of the XPS 13 2-in-1 is its 13.4-inch Infinity Edge display. The screen features an ultra-narrow bezel and comes in Full HD+, 1920x1200, or 4K UHD+, 3840x2400 resolutions, delivering vibrant colors and crisp details. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, watching a movie, or editing photos, the display's high brightness and color accuracy make it a visual delight. 2. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio is a high-performance, innovative laptop designed for creative professionals, designers, and users who demand versatility and power. As the flagship model in Microsoft's Surface lineup, the Surface Laptop Studio sets itself apart with its unique design and a focus on providing a flexible and immersive computing experience. The standout feature of this device is its dynamic stage mode, which allows users to pull the screen forward and tilt it, turning the laptop into a digital drawing tablet or a media viewing hub. This feature, combined with the laptop's 360-degree hinge, makes it an excellent option for those who need both traditional laptop functionality and tablet-like flexibility. At the heart of the Surface Laptop Studio is a powerful Intel Core i7 or i5 processor from the 11th generation, paired with up to 32 GB of RAM and up to 2 TB of SSD storage, ensuring fast performance for a range of tasks. Whether you're working with demanding software for video editing, 3D modeling, or creative projects, the Surface Laptop Studio offers the processing power necessary to handle them. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti graphics card, which is available in certain configurations, further enhances its ability to handle graphics-heavy tasks, making it suitable for professional designers, animators, and even gamers. The laptop features a stunning 14.4-inch Pixel Sense Flow display with a 2400x1600 resolution. 1. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 is a premium business laptop that continues to uphold the legacy of the ThinkPad series by combining top-tier performance, durability, and portability in a sleek and lightweight package. This 12th generation model is designed for professionals who require a reliable, high-performance device capable of handling demanding workloads, all while offering an elegant and ultra-thin design. Weighing just around 2.5 pounds and measuring only 0.6 inches in thickness, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 is incredibly portable, making it ideal for frequent travelers, business professionals, and anyone who needs a high-performing laptop on the go. Under the hood, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 is powered by Intel's latest 12th generation Core i5 or i7 processors, coupled with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 1 TB of PCI Gen 4 SSD storage. This powerful combination ensures lightning-fast performance for multitasking, running productivity apps, editing documents, and even running demanding applications for data analysis, programming, or creative tasks. The laptop's fast storage and responsive memory enable quick boot times, rapid file access, and smooth performance even under heavy workloads. And that's a wrap. These are the top 5 best 2-in-1 laptops of 2025 that offer the perfect blend of power, flexibility, and design. Whether you're a creator, student, or business pro, there's a device here that will fit your needs. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. We'd love to hear from you.